hopefully your emotions are not feeling that way as you're getting up on a Monday morning, but Mother Nature certainly is, because it is stormy out there for sure, and we are going to be looking at a day that will bring peaks of sunshine, but be ready to go for spotty showers all day long today. Where we're sitting this morning, some of our wettest of conditions, and not during the ideal time of day, because so many of us are getting out there. Your view outside right now at downtown San Francisco, definitely great. We've got a lot of flooded areas, ponded water on roadways. We do have coastal flood advisories up and down the Bay Shore. Flood advisories in green out towards Tracy, south of San Jose, and then in a few spots of the foothills of the Santa Cruz Mountains. Areas in deep red, including the Santa Cruz Mountains itself, actually under flood warnings. A lot of those smaller streams draining out of those higher elevations in Santa Cruz County are very swollen, so a lot of water carrying debris and potential of a few dammed areas that could result in some localized flooding. We also have a flood warning along the Russian River, Monte Rio, Guerneville experiencing some localized flooding, as well as water levels there along the river do continue to rise. And as I mentioned, we do have Will Tran heading up there right now, giving us some live coverage right along the riverbank. As for radar, we do see a lot of snowfall in the Sierra Nevada. We've seen about 6 inches of it at the Sierra Snow Lab just over the past 24 hours to 48 hours. While we are looking at a lot of rainfall for the Bay Area, it's definitely calming down for most of us. The core of this rainfall is starting to center up a little bit further southward. San Jose on over towards the Santa Cruz Mountains, southern end of the peninsula, up the Sonol Grade and out into the Central Valley. These are the areas that are still seeing some pockets of heavier rainfall. Just because radar's looking quieter elsewhere, though, doesn't mean that we're necessarily in the clear. We've still got very wet conditions on roads, especially those lanes as you're heading into work towards the edges of the highway tend to have a little ponded water on them, so definitely take it slower out there. Current temperatures in the mid to upper 50s with Hayward and San Francisco, each at 57 degrees. Oakland, Alameda, and Berkeley at 55. Santa Rosa sitting at a cool 55 as well right now. Later on today, can't rule out spotty showers through the day. You'll see peaks of sunshine in there, but a chance of a few rolls of thunder and pockets of heavier rainfall. I'll have more of those details as we go. We've got Brittany Begley in for Raina Harvey this morning with a look at the roads, and it is a lot to look at this morning.
That is the